Welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can change Tinted App Color in your iOS 18. So guys, if you have just upgraded your iOS 18 and you have probably noticed that iOS 18 lets you change Tinted App Color. So guys, you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. Just go ahead and open your home screen and just tap on Edit Home Screen, and now you're in this page. So guys, just look at the top left corner over here that says edit. Tap there and you can see options like add widget, customize, and edit pages. Go ahead and tap on customize over here, and once you're here you'll see options like light, dark, automatic, and tinted. Just go ahead and tap on tinted over here, and now just go ahead and select a certain color in your upper slide. Let's say we're selecting blue, and now under there you can just select the intensity of it. So if you want it really intense, just go ahead and slide it in the left side right here, and you can see the blue is really intense. But if you want it light, then just go ahead and bring it on the right side over here this way. And guys, you can be able to change your app colors this way. You can see that other apps have also changed its colors. So guys, that's how you change Tinted App Color in iOS 18. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.